Hey guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Inside Organon. Friends, as I have asked you a question in the community post that do you want a rapid revision of Organon because most of yours exam is on the way. So within 7 days I will try to complete the entire syllabus of Organon including all the exam based topics. So if you want to join, you can click on the link in the description below. The course that I will be starting, the rapid revision series, it will be paid, but it will be just a small amount for 7 days classes of the entire syllabus. I hope you will find it helpful. Many of you have requested me, that is why I have thought of starting. मैं चाहती हूँ कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चे ज्वाइन करें. Once 20 plus students will be there, I will be starting the class from next Monday onwards. So I request you all to please click on the link अगर आप rapid revision करना चाहते हो Organon का और entire syllabus within a week cover करना चाहते हो with the help of notes itself. So अगर आप join करना चाहते हो, please डिस्क्रिप्शन में जो लिंक दी हुई है उस पर क्लिक करें और ज्वाइन करें. थैंक यू.